I want you to think. Think back.
Okay.
You remember how you got here.
Don't wrestle for him! Don't wrestle!
Hang on. Sorry. I should have been more specific. Start at the beginning.
Oh.
This guy's got good!
They never identified themselves as police officers?
No, they didn't.
You knew we were officers of the law.
See, that's where your story just doesn't add up.
Hey, my man. Detective West, why were you chasing number 5?
Number 5.
He lives in apartment number 5?
So that's why they call you 5, huh?
What happened was you jumped in the middle of my rice bowl. Who are you?
Take the gun. What? Take it. Gun. Let's go.
Fine.
No. Don't put it.
That's Vlad.
I just don't see your role in this.
That's Merrick.
Well, they go to the Farkas.
The fuck was?
Well, you can talk.
No, I just.
No English,
I don't understand what
Russian
you're saying.
back-
It doesn't make me.
Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
What the?
Look out! Look out! Look out! Oh, God!
Don't do that. Okay. Hey, run. It's Hollywood.
You know what? You're the cause of all this.
I'm the cause?
You don't pick up things that don't belong to you.
Don't.